In CSS, specificity decides which styles are applied to an element when there are conflicting rules. Hey there coding enthusiasts, welcome back to IMS Coding. So today we are going to understand CSS specificity. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's say we have multiple CSS rules targeting the same element. How does the browser decide which style to apply first? Well, CSS specificity follows a simple hierarchy. Inline styles have the highest specificity, followed by IDs, classes, and elements. For example, an inline style like style equals to color blue will override any external or internal styles. To calculate specificity, we assign values to different selectors, 1 for IDs, 2 for classes, and 3 for elements. So let's see this practically in Visual Studio Code. Here you can see we have an HTML page with a box in the center. Right now, you see it is blue in color. First, I will remove this background color. Now, let's start with the element CSS selector. So here, I am targeting the div tag, and then inside it, let's add the background color property and set it to red. Now, you will notice that the color of all divs is changed to red. So, this is the element selector that has the lowest specificity. Now let's override this background color property using class CSS selector, which is one step upper of the element CSS selector in the hierarchy. So in our box class, I'm adding background color property and then setting it to blue. Now in the right side, you can see the color of the box has changed to blue. The box styles overrode the above CSS. Now let's move up in the hierarchy and it's time to see the ID selectors, which have the higher specificity in front of these two selectors. So let's give this box a ID called box. And then let's target this box ID, and inside curly braces, I'm adding background color property and setting the color to yellow. Perfect. Now you can see the changes on the page. The background color of this box is yellow. The CSS ID selector overrode the background color property. Now let's see the inline styles, which has the highest specificity. So in the HTML, I am adding style attribute. Style, and then changing the background color to orange. Okay, now focus here. The color of this box is changed to orange because inline style has the highest specificity, so it's overrode all the above background color property. Understanding specificity helps us write cleaner and more maintainable CSS code. It's essential to use specific selectors wisely. And there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.